Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income from 99 Designs to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your 99 Designs account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the earnings section on the main menu. Click on this section to view your balance. To withdraw your earnings, look for the withdraw button. Select this option to initiate the transfer process. You will be presented with different withdrawal methods. Choose the bank transfer option from the available methods. Next, enter the required banking information. Ensure that your account details are correct to avoid errors. After entering your details, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Review your request carefully. Once you are satisfied with the information, confirm the withdrawal. The processing time can vary, so be patient. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer is initiated. Keep an eye on your bank account to check when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to 99 Designs support. Follow up with your bank if the funds do not appear within a few business days. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your income from 99 Designs to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.